despite whether you do have status or not, if your child born in the UK, some stage your child will be British citizen. However, the problem arises when the parent has to pay £1,012 citizenship, British citizenship fee, which not many parents can carry, or many parents cannot pay that amount. Now, this is a historical court decision. Yesterday, Court of Appeal confirmed that the Home Office fee for British citizenship for a child to register as a child who born in the UK, the parents need to pay that £1,012. That is the Home Office fee rules for British citizenship for a child is unlawful. Now, this case law is basically the Home Secretary appealed from the High Court. Initially, the High Court first confirmed that the Home Office fee for register as a British child, £1,012, is unlawful. Upholding that decision, the High Court decision, the Court of Appeal has confirmed that the Home Office £1,012 fee for registering children as British citizens is unlawful. This is a historical decision for the Court of Appeal and High Court decision. When initially this decision came from the High Court, the Home Secretary was not happy. So what she did, she appealed against the decision from the High Court, and yesterday Court of Appeal has confirmed no, the decision and the outcome and reasoning of the High Court is correct, and accordingly they uphold the decision of the Court of Appeal. Now, the case name is basically very important because this is the case where our project for registration of child as British citizen and Anor versus Secretary of State, Home Department 2021. Basically, the principle behind this case is number two law I will mention. Section 1 of Section 1.3 and Section 1.4 of British Citizenship, British Nationality Act 1981. Under Section 1.3 of British Nationality Act 1981, if a child born in the UK and in any stage before the child turn 18, if their parents become settled in the UK or become British citizen, their child can register as a British citizen. This is a Section 1, subsection 3. Section 1, subsection 4 of British Nationality Act said again that if the child born in the UK and if he spent 10 years in the UK, the child can register him as a British citizen, despite irrespective of their parents' status. Now, these two subsection basically provide a scope to register a child, British citizen who born in the UK, irrespective of their parents' status at the time of childbirth. And the main principle of reasoning behind this yesterday decision, that the Home Office British nationality fee for the child is unlawful, is Section 55 of the Border Citizenship and Immigration Act 2009. This very important section in immigration law. The children right is basically top in a priority in everything, from above every principle, every law. So, like in the Children Act, Section 1, where the child best interest is the primary consideration for the court, for the police, for lawyer, for everyone. Same as British Nationality Act. Section 55 is basically same like Section 1 of Children Act, that the with regard to need to safeguard and promote the welfare of the children when setting the fee or when making any decision. Immigration officer, Section 55, welfare of the children and promote the welfare, safeguard the welfare is the primary consideration, is the preliminary consideration, is the first things the court or the police or the immigration officer or the decision maker has to consider. And in the light of this Section 55, basically 7 years rules and many case law, Jahis, Tanzania, many case law regarding the best interest of the children is considering, and the parents get as well leave to remain and their visa on the basis of their relationship of the British of a child. Now, if a child born in the UK and he spent 7 years and he get leave to remain on the basis of section, I will say this is the result and from the section 55. So section 55 is very important. So what the court said in this case, that the Secretary of State failed to promote the safeguard and promote the welfare of the children, because the children will not become British citizen because he failed to pay the Home Office fee. The British nationality fees, £1,000. The actual cost actually in a British citizenship, registered as British citizen is £372, the actual cost. And how much Home Office charged? Currently Home Office charge £1,200. That means £640 they make profit from a child. From a child, they make profit £640. This is unreasonable and unlawful. And that's what recognized by the Court of Appeal yesterday. So from now on, what will happen? Well, the decision of Court of Appeal, one thing we need to remember, that this country is, the parliament is sovereign. So it is not binding to the Home Office. The Court of Appeal declare the immigration policy, that the policy for fee for with regard to register a child is unlawful. Now, Secretary of State, what she will do, she will review the policy again, and probably she will set up a new fee for the children. So most probably the actual fee will be 300. How much is actually 342, which is the current fee, which is the actual cost, or maybe more. So, but will not be like that. So this is what will be. So for now on, most probably within a short period of time, we will see the new citizenship fee for the children to register a British citizen. That is, will be £372, the actual cost, or maybe less, or maybe more. We don't think that it will be less than 372, but it will not be more than, I hope, more than 372. So Secretary of State will now set up a new fee for British to register a child as a British citizenship. The current fee is unlawful. So the case was actually challenged. This is very important, and to know this is basically a child who named as O. The applicant was born in the UK in 2007 and had never left the UK. She is a Nigerian citizen by descent from her parents. As soon as she turned 10, she fulfilled the substantive criteria to register as a British citizen under Section 14 of British Nationality Act 1981, as I said in earlier. She is, however, one of 3 children living with their single parents, single parent mother, and the family is destitute. They don't have enough income to save £1,012 to pay the Home Office fee. So what the mother did, mother raised some money by a different way, and she paid £386 and make an application to the Home Office to make her child register as a British citizen. However, her application was refused and has been subject to of litigation since then. And then this was challenged on 2 grounds, but basically the focus was is the fee, that the fee of £1,012 is unlawful, because this is an obstacle to make a child British citizen. And this is, of course, many children who born in the UK, their parents has no status, and it is very difficult to save £1,012 on top of this, the legal cost as well for the professionals, for a solicitor or someone else. So they cannot save this money, and it was anyway going to High Court. High Court declare that the citizenship was unlawful, and later on the Secretary of State appeal, and now the court confirmed that yes, the fee policy for child to register as a British citizen is unlawful. So this is a historical case, of course, for the UK immigrant, those who are living in the UK, especially for the children, those who cannot register themselves as a child. So currently, those children who are want to make will be turn 18 will be 10 years, and they are prepared to make the application. I will advise wait few days, hopefully within a month or 2-3 months the Home Secretary will set up a new fee, and then you should make the application by a reduced fee, because currently the application fee is 1,000. so if you make the application even now, the fee will be £1,012 until the Home Secretary change the Home Office fee policy for British citizenship. You shouldn't make the application, so it will be hopefully within 1-2 months they will change, and then you can make application by the reduced fee as per set by the Home Office. So thank you very much, all of you. This is a short video based on one topics only, and I think it is very important as it is a historical, I would say, decision from the Court of Appeal. In this country, this is what I have faith in judiciary, that in many cases, thousands of cases, you will find where the court, where the judges, where the justices give decision against the government and in favor of an immigrant, a foreigner. In many cases. So I love this judiciary, where the justice you will see is happening. Justice you will see there. The justice, the fairness in the court decision. So anyway, thank you all of you. Take care and be safe, and save your lives and save your family as well. Take care.